Good afternoon, folks. We are doing this garage here. We actually had our crew re-roof this patio here. We installed a fresh fascia board. Got the shingles in. We actually put some lag bolts. I'll put a picture there because that structure doesn't have any posts. So we actually took the plywood off and put some bolts in there, lag bolts. We are doing white bottom, fascia style gutter, 032 aluminum on hidden hangers every 2 feet. And max flow outlets from Gutterall. All right, so we're gonna do the garage, and there's also a house we gotta do. We've removed the gutters already, so it might be a 2-day project. It was sunny this morning, but now it is 12 o'clock, and look at that. Not a blue sky in sight. Okay, maybe time to move to a new location, maybe. Our professional team knocks in shingles, nice and neat. Plenty of nails. Very good. Good job, amigo. 5 nails per shingle. Manufacturer's recommendation. Instructions. Very nice. Good job. Check out this beautiful plain square downspout up in the forest. Well, let's take a peek inside. And what do you know? It's clogged. I hate square downspouts. Beautiful roof awning, freshly built. Amazing. All right, so we're carrying this 52-foot gutter. So just 2 guys. And we're gonna pop that in, water test it. It's gonna be amazing. All right, let's get it done. I'm gonna show you how to install a max flow outlet with the vortex action. So I've already cut my gutter out. You see how I put my screws all the way in the corners? Because I don't want them in the middle of the gutter. So same thing here. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. 1, 2, and look at that. Very nice.
Wow, beautiful.
I'm gonna seal this up. All right, folks. Today we're installing a white bottom. Really? I'm making a video here, and they making noise. Cut. Man, the weather. Woo. Maybe we can run away to Hawaii or something where it's actually tropical weather. Yeah, maybe that's the place to go.
Come on, Portland. When are you going to get warmer?
Jeez. So we're at a coil. We were supposed to only do the garage, but we decided to jump in the house as well. We got the upper done. And the weather is just unforgiving. This is man versus wild weather.
Yeah.
Woo.
Look at that. We barely got a roof.
Yeah, at least I have a roof on my trailer. That's a good option.
The gutter's already draining. The gutter's already...
Let me show you. This trailer, it's got a roof, okay? Without that, that'd not be the best. All right, I guess we're gonna get material. We'll be back tomorrow, hopefully a bit better weather, and we'll continue the install. We got some downspouts with some funnels done. It's a good day. Man, it's just pouring.
It started out good today.
Yeah, look at that.
And then a bunch of
It's like almost like a tornado up here in here.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that water. It's coming down. Yeah, this is pretty bad. But this is gonna be nice right here. We got leaf traps. Everything's flowing. All right, nice. Folks, we're gonna install an ant cap. This one is a fascia style, wide bottom. So it's the same size as a 5-inch gutter. So here you go. You put it on right here. Slide it on, and then you crimp it. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna skip the bottom because it's the new way of installing ant caps. It looks nice. It just holds here and here, and that's all you need. Beautiful. All right, check out these roofs right here. They're 2 separate levels. So the way they had it was they had this gutter kind of notched in. So they dropped the upper gutter into the lower. I think what I'm gonna do is change it a bit and modify my gutter. Basically cut the back side of it. That way it goes up higher. And just do one corner. I think it'll look nice and clean. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna be nice. Oh look, the sun came out. Yay. We don't have to move now. That's good. All right. So I changed the downspout. It used to dump on top of the roof. Moved it over to here, put a little funnel. So this is how a funnel looks like. You can see on top we have a max flow, and here I deleted it just for clearance. And I actually modified the elbow. I cut it off halfway. So it turned out really clean. Still got plenty of slope. You see that? And lots of clearance. All right, it's another beautiful day. And the first thing we do is we connect power. We got more material. We're gonna load it up and we're gonna get going on this house. Let's go. Check this out. 2 different roof levels. I notched the gutter out. I'm gonna attempt to make one corner. You see how much higher that is right there? Install the large outlet so it doesn't clog. Let's see if I can connect it. I think it's a bay miter. Check this out. Bay miter. 2 levels. Corner turned out really nice, clean. Let's take a look from far back. Looks nice. You can't even tell there's 2 different roof levels. I'll show you a picture how it used to be. So here's a better view here. And it's really hard to measure. So what I've done is I made some samples right here. Made the miters from both sides so I can measure inside, outside. Let's put these samples and measure the gutters. All right, so I got my little scrap piece of gutter. I made a little sample. So where I want the gutter to stop is right here where the plywood is. The next gutter is gonna be 5 inches. So I can verify up to my gutter, 5 inches right there. And that's what we got, 5 inches. So I'm gonna tack on the next one, and then I'll know that I need to measure from this point here. Here's my second piece here, and it does line up quite well. So we're gonna go ahead and measure it. See, this is just a scrap metal. I just wanted to make sure it's not a different bay miter angle. So technically we just need to have one gutter lined up, and then we'll take measurements. Also, this downspout used to be here, so I can mark my outlet right here, because it's kind of tricky to measure the outlet here. So now we can mark it and cut our outlet. All right, so the wide bottom fascia gutter is about 3 1/4. So it's about same size as a 5K gutter, except it's basically like a square. So the advantage of that is you can put a 3x4 outlet on there. So I took a rounded one and I just kind of squished it into a little bit oval, and I cut the edges off right there, you can see. So it fits right in there perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is draw and cut my oval outlet in there. So with a standard fascia, you can't do that. Basically, I'm just gonna cut the gutter to fit the 2 different levels. So there you go. So here's the actual piece of gutter, and you see how it's notched out in the back. I guess you can see it like that right there. So that compensates for this difference here. All right, you see the outlet is lined up with the post. So that gutter is notched out, but it's gonna match the roof line right there. So it's gonna be a clean look. All right, check it out. 1 level, 1 corner, no weird angles. Beautiful. We're out. Turbo shear from Makita. So here we go. All right, so you just saw me cut the gutter, modified it right there. The reason is the old gutter was holding water. The patio's a little low. So by cutting the gutter back, we'll be able to raise it higher and naturally slope it. Here's a look at how I make my tabs. Nice and simple. On the fascia gutters, very easy. Check this out. 1 level roof. You come up here, 2 different styles of roofs. Very nice. My favorite feature. All right, got the house done. It was a little chilly, windy, but not raining, so that's good. All right, so I'll give you a little tour of what we did. Max flow outlets with our vortex action installed on this house. So you can see right over there in those areas on the porch, 2 different roof levels, but you can't see it no more. It looks nice and even. So downspouts are nice and straight. They kind of dump out right there. Customer's really happy the way we designed the little transitions here. See? Before he had awkward 2-piece sections. There's the garage from yesterday that we did. Very nice job. Made it work. So a couple more corners in the front. We gotta seal them, and we should be good. So, all right, we had like 4 corners on this house that were off balance. All right. And a couple more downspouts over there. We had to test a few drain pipes. Some of them were not working. It turns out they were like French drains. So they're just kind of kicked out into the yard. Apparently they dug like a trench, filled it up with rocks, and over 40 years it finally gave up. There's a bird up there, right there. It wanted some water maybe. All right, let's go check out the garage real quick. I'll walk around the back real quick, show you what we did. So, little kick out right here. Customer didn't want to make it any longer because he goes here with a wheelbarrow. But long piece here in the back. Terminated the downspout right there per customer's request. Got a little bird's nest up in there. So that's a little dangerous. If this pipe gets a little hot, it could catch on fire. So, gotta check your pipes around the house. Did this little patio here with a max flow. Turned out nice. Solid 032. Very good. All right, well, we have our trailer with us for the wide bottom. It's a custom little gutter. So we have it inside the trailer. We don't use it very often, but it's a nice gutter. It's got this extra wide bottom to it, so very easy to clean. Turned out nice. Lots of corners on this one, but we made it happen. Look at this. This is Oregon for you. And what is this, April? And it's like ice. This is wild. Whoa. Look at that. It just turned like this. We're doing another job here. Wow. So we got some extra time. Icicles are falling, but we're hanging this commercial building, 6-inch gutter, 6K. Dang. Look at this ice. Blizzard. Ooh, this is wild. Oregon for you. I gotta hide. Whew. Wow, it started to hail. It's like ice from the sky. We're just perfect timing here. Got the gutter up on this commercial building. Wow, that was something else, eh? Yeah, crazy. Look at this ice everywhere, piles of ice. Look at that. And the sun came out. Very interesting weather. Let's finish this job. All right, the gutters are working. Lots of water. We're gonna put a downspout right here and kick it out here. And hopefully the water will go that way. If it was warm enough, I suppose you could take a shower right from the gutter. Fresh water from the sky. Maybe in the summertime, if we have these wild weather rains. Huge roof. So we installed 6-inch large gutters, aluminum, hidden hangers. They're gonna have a metal roof here. So this will catch on. All right, it's 7:30. It's been hailing, raining, windy, and as soon as we're done with gutters, everything stops. So definitely gutters stop the rain from entering your house. Anyway, got this one done. We got some temporary downspouts in here. They're gonna tear them out, put some new siding. It's 7:30 already. It's been a long day, a little short-staffed, but putting some extra hours in, getting these jobs done. Thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.